Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're talking about two Pochita tokens that came out basically 2 minutes apart. Now one of them has a huge market cap and the other one has a decent sized market cap, but it's already a community takeover. So two different tokens. One of them is trending number 2 and one of them is trending number 3. Both in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Now, there may be other ones as well on other chains. Very popular name for this token. All of a sudden, we're going to go over why in just 1 second. We're going to talk about both tokens and what the good things and bad things about each one of them are. And we're going to do that all in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token, or these tokens, I should say. So, first of all, basically came out 2 minutes apart. So this, I'm going to put the community takeover token in the top of the screen there. I'm going to put either their Twitter or their DEX screener up in the top of this screen here. And then I'm going to put the other one that's not a community takeover as of yet in the bottom of the screen. By the time I do the video, that one could be a community takeover. But anyways, both of them have the name Pochita, and that is also the ticker symbol. So both on the Solana blockchain. So it says Pochita is the new dog of the Bonk owner, Balltze, I don't know how to pronounce his name, succeeding the iconic Bonk dog. So this token, let's go over the community takeover one here. So the community takeover one, it says a community claimed ownership for this token August 2nd, which is today. No devs, CTO since was born. It says this is Balltze's sister, OG Pochita on Sol. And then it has the original profile and whatnot. But this, the community takeover one was created 7 hours, 26 minutes ago. And then this other one here was created 7 hours, 29 minutes ago. So the non-community takeover one is actually older. And that one has so the non-community market, community takeover one here has a market cap of $17.7 million. That is also their fully diluted valuation. That one has a 24-hour trading volume of $84.6 million, 84.7 now. It's almost up 30,000% in the past 24 hours. $667,000 in liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 97.33% of that total liquidity is locked. Now, the non-community takeover one still has a web page, so you could check that out at pochita.biz. And it shows a tweet here from the Bonk owner, and it says, a year since Baltze's departure. So that was, I guess, the Bonk's dog's real name. I have heard that before. And it says, we are finally welcoming a new member, meet Pochita. I don't follow these dog, Instagrams and Twitters and whatnot, but I do see, the tokens and the tweets and the Instagram posts and all these stuff here. So it says, she is an ex-breeder surrendered to AFCP and held to LAP charity. I gave her the name Pochita because I really hope she can be strong and sweet like Pochita from Chainsaw Man. Huge fan, yes. Then it has a kind of a basic roadmap. Website, community, DEX update, culture, KOLs, memes, raids. And so this one is, the one with the web page is a little bit older, a few minutes older than the other token. Now, they probably didn't copy each other. I would assume that they both saw this post about Pochita, and then, you know, basically people have to make dog tokens based off these real dogs. So you're going to see a swarm of Pochita tokens coming out. Now, even trending number 6 right now on Dex Screener is already Pochita Whiff Hat. And PWIF is the ticker symbol for that one. But that one looks like it only has a market cap of $43,000. It's probably a rug or something because it's down 42%. And it almost has a 24-hour trading volume of $1 million, but it's only at 43,000. So Pochita Whiff Hat is not doing so well. But these two Pochita tokens are doing very well. Now, the community takeover one only has a Twitter and a Telegram. Their Twitter is at Pochita_CTO, and that's how you could obviously tell that that is the community takeover one. And the other one, let's see here. So yeah, it says basically has just a Telegram and a Twitter for that one. Just joined in September, so that obviously just happened today. Their Telegram here is what? So their Telegram, this one's trending number 2, the community takeover one. This one has 610 members, 293 of them are online. Now the CTO one may be a more popular token. More people are probably looking at it because it's got a lower market cap. And maybe they're hoping like this one will take off more and have more returns if it gets as high as the other one, because the other one's at $17.3 million and the community takeover one's just under $1 million. But it does have a 24-hour trading volume of $13.1 million. Now they both have liquidity locks. So basically, if you wanted to get either one of these tokens, you would fund your wallet with Sol. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, fund it with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for either one of the tokens, whichever one you wanted, using the contract address that you could find on their Twitters or on their Dex Screener chart. You could also find these tokens both on Dex Tools and Bird Eye and SolScan. Now, trending number 5 is Bonk. And I'm assuming that's basically named after the same thing as well. It's like Pochita Bonk. So you're going to see an insane amount of these tokens. I bet you if I go and just look at new pairs on Dex Screener too, there's going to be probably ones on other chains too. I would guess there's an Ethereum one. It might even be a BNB already. So let's check here. So we see here, yep, Ethereum one. So there's an Ethereum one that also came out 7 hours, 39 minutes ago. That one has a $4.5 million market cap. You're going to see an insane amount of Pochita tokens. There's another one right there with on Ethereum, $1.5 million market cap. There's one on Base. That one only has $7,000 market cap. Some of them are definitely going to be rugs, so just be careful. There's going to be a slew of them coming out, but these ones seem to have the two, that Ethereum one's doing very well. But the community takeover one's at $1 million. And then the non-community takeover one's $17.4 million market cap. And the Ethereum one's actually doing better than the community takeover Solana one. That one has a $4.5 million market cap. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of them. Who knows which one will prevail? This happened actually with Nero. When Nero came out, I posted a video. There was one Nero token getting listed on a whole bunch of other exchanges like MEXC Global, you name it. But the other one had a bigger market cap, and they both were doing very well. But people were going, "Oh, this is the real one. This is the real one. This is, there's no real one. They all just came out, but we'll see which one does the best." Which one do you guys think is going to do the best? Leave a comment down below. Which one are you following? Maybe a different chain one you're following. Leave a comment down there. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.